Hi everyone, I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. Interlay network continues to gain momentum. The company imagines a future in which blockchains connect and interact with each other easily. Anyone can use any digital assets on any blockchain without restrictions. The platform works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and others to enhance interaction, capital efficiency, and transparency. Their flagship product is InterBTC, an asset backed by Bitcoin in 1:1 ratio. It is compatible and censor-resistant, implementing the true free nature of BTC and decentralized finance. Not long ago, Interlay won the Kusama slot for Kintsugi. Now they are fully focused on running Kintsugi with all the features. All products and assets on Kintsugi and Interlay can be combined, such as KBTC and InterBTC arbitrage pools, InterBTC as KBTC collateral, etc. Interlay network will also compete with the Polkadot parachain slot in the upcoming auctions, which will begin on the 23rd of December 2021. If Interlay wins the parachain slot, it will begin operating on the 11th of March 2022. Interlay's network will focus on high TVL and liquidity, security and stability, and expansion to other networks. First, a test run on Kintsugi, then a launch on Interlay with liquidity bootstrapping and wide user reach. Before Polkadot connects all features, including XCM, it will happen on Kusama, where Kintsugi and KBTC will be tested. But before launching on Polkadot, the Interlay network will need to gain community support and get enough DOT during crowdloan. What is crowdloan? For Polkadot and Kusama, a crowdloan is a way for new projects to get the support they need to join the Kusama or Polkadot network as a parachain. The term itself can be misleading, because you are not actually loaning funds to a parachain, but rather your contributions are locked into a sponsored account for a certain period of time. Generally, during this locked-in period, you are entitled to receive a reward. This reward usually means a native project token. During blocking, contributed KSM DOT tokens can be used to cover the cost of parachain rent, but are not available directly to the project's parachain. If the project cannot win the auction, the funds are returned to their owner and will become unlocked. In short, to get a parachain slot, Interlay first needs to show that it can pay for the rent of the slot, and for that the project needs the support of the community. This is one of DeFi's basic principles, because the community has to decide which projects they really want to use and support, and which are not worthy of a slot. Interlay has been developed for over 2 years to bring reliable and decentralized Bitcoin to Polkadot and then to all other major DeFi networks. The project strives to always prioritize decentralization, security for users, and resistance to censorship over shilling and quick profits. To realize its grand idea of making any asset available on any blockchain, Interlay intends to launch on Polkadot, a blockchain network rated for interaction and secured by one of the largest existing decentralized proof-of-stake networks. As we said, the Interlay network will join the second batch of Polkadot auctions to win one of the parachain slots. No more centralized storage, reliable multi-sigs or hardware, and no more unfulfilled promises. Interlay network will finally provide decentralization and security of user funds from day one without any excuses. When Interlay enters the Polkadot auctions, we will already see what the project is capable of on Kusama. You won't have to blindly trust the developers' words. Instead, you will be able to test and experience everything for yourself before you decide whether you will support the project or not. The future of Interlay. In the beginning, the Kintsugi community is expected to consist exclusively of DeFi users, innovators, developers, researchers, hackers, testers, and anyone willing to take more risks to help improve the network in exchange for higher rewards. Over the time, the Interlay community will become much larger, joined by liquidity providers, DeFi users, traders, miners, institutional capital, and members of other networks. The Kintsugi and Polkadot communities will play an important role in Interlay, helping to define the shared vision and values of the ecosystem and protecting it from hackers. If you, like the developers of Interlay network, want to see a future where there are no more borders between blockchains, then you must join the crowdloan and support it in the upcoming Polkadot auction. That's all for today, friends. Remember that this video is an introductory one, and only you are personally responsible for all your actions. All information about the Interlay project I will leave in the description below this video. Subscribe to my channel and get rich. Bye, everyone!